Hello my loves, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing these right here. These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nirvana collection electric cake liners. Now I decided to get these after I used, which liner was it that I used? I think I used the ColourPop liner and it just kind of like really, it kind of flaked on me, and I love the pigment from them, but it doesn't wear on my face all day. So I went and searched up like bright liquid eyeliners and I came across these, and I have never seen a review on these. So I'm very excited. This is what they look like. Now, if you guys are curious to see how these work, I'm going to be doing a full wear test on the eyes, and yeah, if you're excited to see how these work, then just keep watching. Okay, let me give you an up close right here. So this one right here is in, I don't know if there's electric orange, opaque white, and electric purple. So here is what the packaging looks like. They're stacked on top of each other, which I love. And then you open the top one like this, but then for all the other ones, you just move it out like this, which I love. Instead of having just individual pots, I love that these are already like stacked on top of each other like that. Then this one is the electric pink, electric yellow, and electric lime. The names are pretty self-explanatory. Opens like this again. My finger did dig into the yellow one on accident, so don't mind that. Today I'm going to be wearing the yellow, green, and orange one. I will be testing out the white one probably in a separate video, but we're gonna go ahead and tuck my little bangs behind my ears and read the directions on this. It says, to a trio of water activated cake liners, shades with vivid opaque colors. Let's see here. It doesn't say how to apply it. So I'm pretty sure what you do is just get the, if I drop it, get your brush wet, which I have two brushes right here. I have one that's like a liner brush and then one that's kind of angled a bit, so we'll see how, how it works out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a basic winged eyeliner on the top, obviously, of my lid, right above my lashes where you usually do a liquid liner, and I'm going to go in with the more precise liner brush. This is a e.l.f. angled eyeliner brush, and I think I'm going to start off with the color, we'll probably do yellow, orange, and then green. So I'm going to dip my brush in a little bit of water that I have and dab it in here like so. This is what it's looking like, if y'all can see that. Now I'm going to apply it on my lid. Holy crap. Okay, I'm so excited for these. It's going on very smoothly and smoothly. Y'all know what I mean. I don't want to like blink too hard because I don't want it to transfer. So I'm gonna let it dry for just a minute. But yes, it's very opaque. I love how bright it is, guys. I can tell you right now, I'm already gonna use some of these for some cut crease looks. I am excited. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well. That way I don't have to continuously wash my brush. Okay, so I wiped my brush. Now I'm going to go in with the orange. These are so much fun. I'm really hoping that it doesn't, trying to like blend those together some. I'm really hoping they don't transfer or like crumble throughout the day, because I'm looking for good eyeliners that are pigmented and that don't transfer to like my crease. These are very easy to apply as well, as you can see. So I'm going to wipe my brush. It seems to dry pretty quick too. Wipe my brush, and then now I'm going to go into the green. Should I go into the green or the pink? Pink. I don't have pink on my shirt, so we're just going to do green. So again, that's what the green looks like. I know this looks very silly, but today I am wearing my Love shirt. So it's kind of like a pride look. This would be super cute if I did some pink in there, but I want to kind of keep it simple. Alright, so here is the finished look on what my eyeliner is looking like at the moment. I love it. I think it's fun. For the first time me doing it, I wanted to do a more simple eye look. Sorry, I'm realizing. Okay, I wanted to do a more simple eye look, but I really, sorry, I needed lip balm. If you haven't tried the new Milani lip balm, you totally should. But anyway, so I think it applied great. It kind of looks a little patchy. Just a little bit, if you guys can see that, but nothing where I'm just like, it's concerning me. So I'm going to wear this for the whole entire day, and by the time that I wipe my makeup off, I will come on here and do like an update and show you guys like what it's looking like at the end of the day. I want to do tons of videos using this, like doing cut creases and stuff like that, so I'll probably have more of an opinion on whether or not I really, really love this product by like the end of next month or something, because I want to start doing like favorites videos. So maybe these will be in my favorites. We shall see. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so this is at the end of the night. I already sprayed makeup remover spray on my face. That's why it creased like this. So it creased a little bit throughout the day, but not like this. Remover spray, that's why it transferred. So it lasted pretty long and it didn't crease too bad. So I definitely recommend this, guys.
The devil's in the detail, lingered inside.